支持，支持，支持。
Support.
Support.
谢谢你的鼓励和支持，我会继续努力。谢谢你的鼓励和支持，我会继续努力。谢谢你的鼓励和支持，我会继续努力。
Thank you for your encouragement and support. I will continue to work hard.
Thank you for your encouragement and support. I will continue to work hard.
无论你成功还是失败，我永远都支持你。无论你成功还是失败，我永远都支持你。无论你成功还是失败，我永远都支持你。
Whether you succeed or fail, I will always support you.
Whether you succeed or fail, I will always support you.
我要感谢我的父母，没有他们的支持和帮助，我不可能站在这里拿这个奖。我要感谢我的父母，没有他们的支持和帮助，我不可能站在这里拿这个奖。我要感谢我的父母，没有他们的支持和帮助，我不可能站在这里拿这个奖。
I would like to thank my parents. Without their support and help, I would not be able to stand here and win this award.
I would like to thank my parents. Without their support and help, I would not be able to stand here and win this award.
举行，举行，举行。
Hold.
Hold.
我们的店今天举行买一送一活动。我们的店今天举行买一送一活动。我们的店今天举行买一送一活动。
Our store is having a buy one, get one free promotion today.
Our store is having a buy one, get one free promotion today.
他们在今天举行婚礼。他们在今天举行婚礼。他们在今天举行婚礼。
They are getting married today.
They are getting married today.
今天下午将在大会堂举行座谈会。今天下午将在大会堂举行座谈会。今天下午将在大会堂举行座谈会。
A symposium will be held in the General Assembly Hall this afternoon.
A symposium will be held in the General Assembly Hall this afternoon.
满，满，满。
To reach a quota or limit. Full.
To reach a quota or limit. Full.
购买本店产品满100元送一个杯子。购买本店产品满100元送一个杯子。购买本店产品满100元送一个杯子。
Get a cup for free when you purchase our products for 100 yuan or more.
Get a cup for free when you purchase our products for 100 yuan or more.
我的儿子刚满1岁。我的儿子刚满1岁。我的儿子刚满1岁。
My son just turned 1.
My son just turned 1.
水缸装满了水。水缸装满了水。水缸装满了水。
The water tank is filled with water.
The water tank is filled with water.
其中，其中，其中。
Among.
Among.
他只把其中一部分的财产留给他的儿子。他只把其中一部分的财产留给他的儿子。他只把其中一部分的财产留给他的儿子。
He left only part of his fortune to his son.
He left only part of his fortune to his son.
本班共有学生30人，其中男生18人。本班共有学生30人，其中男生18人。 本班共有学生30人，其中男生18人。
There are 30 students in this class, including 18 boys.
There are 30 students in this class, including 18 boys.
他有5栋房子，其中1栋靠近海边。他有5栋房子，其中1栋靠近海边。他有5栋房子，其中1栋靠近海边。
He has 5 houses, one of which is near the seaside.
He has 5 houses, one of which is near the seaside.
小说，小说，小说。
Novel.
Novel.
这本小说讲了一个浪漫的爱情故事，让人特别感动。这本小说讲了一个浪漫的爱情故事，让人特别感动。这本小说讲了一个浪漫的爱情故事，让人特别感动。
This novel tells a romantic love story, which is particularly touching.
This novel tells a romantic love story, which is particularly touching.
大多数女孩子喜欢看爱情小说。大多数女孩子喜欢看爱情小说。大多数女孩子喜欢看爱情小说。
Most girls like to read romance novels.
Most girls like to read romance novels.
这本科幻小说的作者很有名。这本科幻小说的作者很有名。这本科幻小说的作者很有名。
The author of this science fiction novel is very famous.
The author of this science fiction novel is very famous.
会员卡。会员卡。会员卡。
Membership card.
Membership card.
如果购买商品满300元，可免费办会员卡。如果购买商品满300元，可免费办会员卡。如果购买商品满300元，可免费办会员卡。
If you purchase goods over 300 yuan, you can get a membership card for free.
If you purchase goods over 300 yuan, you can get a membership card for free.
当你使用会员卡购物时，可以享受相应的折扣、积分、优惠券等。当你使用会员卡购物时，可以享受相应的折扣、积分、优惠券等。当你使用会员卡购物时，可以享受相应的折扣、积分、优惠券等。
When you use your membership card to shop, you can enjoy corresponding discounts, points, coupons, etc.
When you use your membership card to shop, you can enjoy corresponding discounts, points, coupons, etc.
所有，所有，所有。
All.
All.
所有人都同意他的看法。所有人都同意他的看法。所有人都同意他的看法。
Everyone agreed with him.
Everyone agreed with him.
别担心，所有的困难都解决了。别担心，所有的困难都解决了。别担心，所有的困难都解决了。
Don't worry. All difficulties are solved.
Don't worry. All difficulties are solved.
电脑所有的东西都被删除了。电脑所有的东西都被删除了。电脑所有的东西都被删除了。
Everything on the computer has been deleted.
Everything on the computer has been deleted.
谢谢观看。